In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Phantom Wallet, then go and press on the top left to your icon like so. And we're actually going to go ahead and head into our settings, and that is because we need to go ahead and select on active networks, and you want to make sure that Ethereum is actually turned on. So in order for this to work, you will need to make sure that Ethereum is turned on, which we do have right over here. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go back to the Phantom Wallet main menu, then go ahead and select on Ethereum. And essentially, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this button over here that does say swap. Then it is going to bring you a menu that looks like this. So go ahead and just press onto the purple swap icon like so that Ethereum is on the top. And then down over here where it says you receive, you want to go ahead and select on Solana right over here. Then go ahead and select on Solana. And from here, go ahead and decide how much Ethereum you want to swap to Solana. So this is completely up to you, but basically you need to go ahead and do this transaction. However, if you run into any other errors, what you could always do is use a middleman exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and basically you send the Ethereum to that account, and then from there, you can go ahead and actually swap it to Solana, or you can even convert it to cash, and then using that cash, you can go ahead and purchase Solana. So there's many different approaches. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.